signers! In this video, I'm going to teach you signs for personalities. So the next time you're in a conversation, you can let the person know, hey, I'm a little shy. Or, sorry for my little brother, he's really talkative. So let's learn how to sign personalities. Here's a tip. Make sure you are showing those non-manual signals with signs for personalities. For instance, when you're signing shy, you'll show the facial expression and body language of being shy, whereas friendly uses a cheerful emphasis in its sign. Friendly. Now, let's get to the signs. Personality. Personality. You have a P hand making the shape of a circle on your chest. Personality. Considerate. Considerate. The sign is think of others. Considerate. Friendly. Friendly. It's like the sign smile, but your fingers are wiggly. You're friendly. Friendly. Fun. Fun. You have two U-shaped hands, your non-dominant down and your dominant to your nose, coming down to your fingertips. Fun. Funny. Funny. You have your two fingers coming up onto your nose and brushing down, and you can make a funny face when you do it. Funny. Hardworking. Hardworking. It's just like the sign work, but you're talking about somebody's personality. Hardworking. Helpful. Helpful. You're doing the sign help, but giving help to everybody. Helpful. Humble. Humble. Your non-dominant arm is flat, with your dominant hand coming from your mouth all the way down under, like somebody who is humble. Humble. Loyal. Loyal. It's an L hand twisting around your heart. Loyal. Motivated. Motivated. Your hands are rubbing together like you're really ready to do something. Motivated. Outgoing. Outgoing. You have A-shaped hands moving forward outside of your body. Outgoing. Talkative or Motormouth. This is your mouth and your tongue always moving. Motormouth or talkative. Strong, firm, or steadfast. You're bringing your arms across your body like you're holding on to something really firm. Strong, firm, or steadfast. Nice. Nice. Your dominant hand is going from the palm to the fingertips of your non-dominant hand. Nice. Polite. Polite. You've got a 5 hand moving in a circular motion on your chest. Polite. Quiet. Quiet. You have 2 B hands coming up from your mouth, putting them down to make something quiet, calm, silent. Quiet. Shy. Shy. Your hand is on the side of your face, moving forward like you're being really shy. Shy. Sweet. Sweet. You have these 4 fingers coming up on your chin and brushing down. Sweet. Thinking positively or optimism. You think and then positive. Optimism or positive thinking. Think negatively or pessimism. The sign think and then the sign negative. Think negatively, pessimism. Emotional. Emotional. It's E hands moving in a circular motion out from you. Emotional. Worried. Worried. You have flat hands moving in toward your face. Think of the troubles that you're worrying about coming in. Worried. Embarrassed or embarrassed. You're showing that you're blushing or your face is becoming red. Embarrassed or embarrassed. Frustrated. Frustrated. Your hand is coming up to the face like you're hitting a wall. Frustrated. Mean. Mean. Mischievous. Mischievous. You have this 3 hand coming up towards your forehead and then pulling down. Think like devil horns. Mischievous. Nosy. Nosy. You're pointing to your nose and showing that it's in somebody's business. Nosy. Rude. Rude. Your non-dominant hand is a flat palm facing up, and your dominant is a middle finger flicking out toward the end of the hand. Rude. Stubborn. Stubborn. Take a 5-shaped hand and put your fingers together and your thumb up to your forehead. I like to think of a little kid stomping their foot. Ugh, being stubborn. Stubborn. Stupid. Stupid. You have the number 2 and you bring it up to your forehead. Stupid. Weak. Weak. These are your legs and they can't stand up on their own. Weak. Complain. Complain. You have a C-shaped hand coming up on your chest. Think of somebody griping and complaining. Complain. Grouchy. Grouchy. You have this bent 5 hand right up to your face and showing a grouchy face. Grouchy. Annoying. Annoying. Think of a little brother or sister tapping their older brother and sister over and over again to be annoying. Annoying. Arrogant. Arrogant. You're showing the sign big on your head for big-headed. Arrogant. Boring. Boring. Think of picking your nose because you're so bored. Boring. Gullible. Gullible. You have this B-shaped hand coming down from your chin all the way down to your stomach. Gullible. Lazy. Lazy. You have an L hand coming up on your chest, but when you do it, you show a lazy face. Lazy. Now let's put these signs into sentences. What is your personality? Your personality tends to what you? My mom is outgoing and talkative. My mom, outgoing, talkative. Is your grandpa funny or quiet? Your grandpa funny, quiet, which? I'm grouchy if I haven't had my morning coffee. If morning coffee, not yet, me, grouchy me. Great job, signers! Let us know down in the comments what you would consider your personality type. For me, I'm a little bit outgoing. Okay, maybe a lot. Until next time, Keep learning how to sign.